Hey everyone, I am your host here, and today we're taking a deep dive into the king of electric sedans, the Tesla Model S Plaid. This car isn't just about luxury, it's about rewriting the rulebook on performance. So buckle up, gearheads and green enthusiasts alike, because this is going to be a wild ride. Performance built for the future. Let's start under the hood, or should I say, under the sleek sportback design. The Model S Plaid boasts a tri-motor setup. That's right, 3 electric motors working in harmony. This translates to a mind-blowing 1020 horsepower, launching you from 0 to 60 mph in a jaw-dropping 2.1 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 2.1 seconds. It feels like getting shoved into hyperspace, and it's unlike anything most people will ever experience. Technical specs explained simply. Now, some of you might be wondering, how does this electric beast work in simpler terms? The Model S Plaid uses electric motors powered by a high-voltage battery pack. These motors spin the wheels much faster than a gasoline engine, creating instant torque. That's the pulling power that pins you back in your seat during acceleration. Beyond ludicrous speed. Tesla loves its pop culture references, and the Plaid mode in this car is a nod to the movie Spaceballs. But unlike the movie, this Plaid is anything but a joke. It pushes the boundaries of electric performance, making even the most powerful gas guzzlers feel sluggish in comparison. Design that speaks volumes. But the Model S Plaid isn't just about raw power. The sleek, minimalist design turns heads wherever it goes. The flush door handles, panoramic glass roof, and hidden charging port all scream futuristic elegance. On the inside, the yoke steering wheel might take some getting used to, but it adds to the spaceship-like feel. The massive center touchscreen controls almost everything, from climate to navigation, offering a clean and uncluttered cabin experience. Unique selling points more than just speed. Now, let's talk about some of the features that set the Model S Plaid apart. Autopilot, Tesla's driver assistance system, is constantly evolving, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities on highways. The yoke steering wheel integrates turn signals, making for a more streamlined driving experience. And of course, there's the extensive Tesla charging network, making long-distance trips a breeze. For the bottom line, the Tesla Model S Plaid isn't for everyone. It's a luxury car with a luxury price tag. But for those seeking the pinnacle of electric performance wrapped in a sleek and innovative design, the Model S Plaid is a game changer. It's a glimpse into the future of automobiles, and it's undeniably exhilarating. So what do you think? Is the Tesla Model S Plaid the ultimate electric sedan? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more car reviews and explorations.